Well, we got ourselves some scooters. Got rid of that pink dorky helmet. There's the third compadre. See how she goes. There we go. We're off to get some brekkie now that we parked our bikes. Where should we sit? This pavement is kind of cool. It's made up of coral bits. Hey Richard, you want to be my Valentine?
Absolutely.
Sweet.
Oh, no.
I was hoping you'd say that. Look at that nice view.
Well, you can see everything from here. Take a picture for everyone.
What one are we getting here? I think I'm
that's
going
it.
for the pork barbecue.
Huh?
I put my camera here.
We'll see how many skewers I'll get though for that price.
I'll take a picture later. That's good. Oh,
Mine came with 3 skewers. We'll see how she tastes. It does taste pretty good.
very good.
No, no.
Maybe this garlic and the garlic rice will help my colds go away.
I think it will.
Scraping this young coconut with my glass straw. See?
John, you love tomatoes, right?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Hey, John, I think we can add them though. Can you
Hit plug.
John.
Oh wow, Joseph knows how to get slugs.
Really thin. I mean, it's jello. Again.
Again.
Oh no.
Ah, bueno. She'll be jealous.
The boys had their coconuts cut and open so they could get the jelly out. They really wanted to eat that coconut, fresh coconut jelly. Pretty good?
Buenos.
Yeah. Don't eat too much, you might get the runs.
Really? You make it look so good.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Good, tender. See the
That-
difference?
That's way better.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the best. That's what you want for juice too.
It was interesting. We ordered 3 coconut juices and we thought they're gonna come in a glass. Then the man came over and said, sorry, there's only 2 available. And so he said, that's fine. A little bit later on, we saw the guy coming back with
I thought it was 190.
these green young coconuts freshly picked from a tree over there.
Oh, it is.
I have to see.
And yeah, they didn't come in a glass, they came right in the coconut themselves. And we asked them afterward to split them open
If you go to
for us so we could get the
the
coconut jelly out.
might be
Getting her filled up, Richard?
Yeah.
You'd be unlimited, eh?
We'll fill all 3. All together? All together. I'm coming by it.
And 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, those hundreds don't count.
Okay. 16, 3.
We only want thousands. See?
Solomon. But now should we count the hundreds though? That's where it counts.
You got hundreds of dollars in there?
Americano, yeah.
Oh.
Or Canadian.
Canadiano?
Canadiano, yeah. I've got more, I just didn't feel like spending it. Wow.
This one.
No, I've got a lot.
Oh, what a nice place. It's a nice jungle. Whoa. Road's a little bit wet here and a little bit slippery.
10 kilometers right here.
Not bad, eh?
Pretty good. I love this drive. Remind me of going to Cagayan a bit, but nice shade. It's like a bit of a jungle,
Like a mini road.
Yeah. Good road, I like it. Oh, every children should own a bike.
Oh, we made it here up to Katibuasan Falls, and we're gonna park our bikes here and go for a little walk. Look at them cliffs with trees and greenery on them. Pretty sweet.
Take a picture. You guys went this way. That was better. Yeah, sure. Wait, buddy. Hey,
Oh, here's what. Here's White Island up here.
Oh yeah.
So we're staying somewhere over here. And where's the falls at?
Oh man, where are we here?
Katibuasan Falls. So we came over to here. That's where we're at right now. Joseph, you were wondering where Matigi Island is.
Yeah, this is where I was.
Matigi?
So here's where I spent the night. And there's the poters there. Mosquito and everything's very hot, so I left there, went here, nice and windy, no mosquitoes. I climbed up the fishing line net that was empty, not there. Just a tall bamboo raft. Went up there, nice wind, beautiful, slept. And I just thought that I was gone, evaporated or something. So he went out looking for me and found me.
How many years ago was that?
That was 2005.
Oh, okay.
No kids yet.
Sunken cemetery and then walkway to the old volcano.
Oh yeah. Have you been there?
Yeah,
Is that a nice hike?
it's a pretty good, nice hike. It's not very long. You can't even go all the way up to the top.
No?
It just goes to the end.
You can't swim in the lava pool at the top?
It's
Oh,
been
man.
a while since I've been there.
What a
though.
riff.
They might have changed it now. It was
Yeah.
a while.
They said soda water. I was looking on YouTube. It's not really soda water, holy.
Oh,
Little bubbles. Trying to taste it. And there's one guy on YouTube that
these are kind of fun to swim in.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah,
Santa Nino Cold Springs.
yeah, that's
let's
a,
go to this one.
yeah, that one's on the top of the mountain.
Binangawan
Pretty
Did you go up
Falls.
there? No.
Canada would be like $50 probably at least to come here.
Oh, I'm so nervous. No.
Look, stand
Quite
under.
a cool valley
Yeah.
in here. Holy moly. You can feel the wind off the falls, pretty nice. A little bit of a mist as well. Nice waterfall here. Oh, that's quite a bit of mist, eh?
Yeah, pretty misty mountain.
See strong wind.
Almost like not as bad as the glam. Yeah. It's probably half as cold as the glam. bit.
Oh, that was fun. Invigorating, cooled off. Time to hit the road again though. We're a busy people and we got a lot to do.
No, we can't wait or
Loiter?
loiter.
No. Like people to see and places to go.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So nice and bright out here. Do a little shopping. You find anything good?
I've been here before.
Oh yeah.
Then I go here, eh? This is where I went.
To Asan Falls?
Went to Montego Island, where me I slept right here on this island, right there.
Really?
And that was inside looking for him. She ran out looking for him. I was right here.
Oh. Look at this. Doritos roasted corn. Haven't seen that one yet. They're hitting new heights.
John picking out a shirt. He's making sure he gets a good one, taking his time. Buenos. Too black.
Too much dark.
Too purple. Red. Red is best.
Show us how it's done, Richard.
I got my key now. Well, you see, first I gotta get my put my thing in here. You can put all your things in there for things. It's a thing container storage.
Wait for me. Drive up there. Maybe like that. Beautiful. I like doing not so much resort, you know? This is like freedom, no resort. Beautiful, natural. Let it grow the way it is. Organic. That sun is pretty intense.
Yeah.
Then up there, see on the mountain, there's like big rain clouds.
Oh,
It's actually raining up there.
We could be up there right now.
Nice and peaceful. Early evening here. It's 5:30 p.m. Just seen a crab scurry away here. He doesn't want to be found. There I dip my feet in the water. Don't get swept away. Look at this. Suctioned on hard to the rock. Tide is coming in. Well, here I lay sick as a dog. Sicker than a dog. A doggone dog, that is.